Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. I beg to all. My name is Azrun Suhaila binti Ali Alai Samran. My metric number is 182490. So this is my flowchart diagram that I've done. This is the flowchart that tells us of how to choose the correct statistical test. So first and foremost, we have to run the test of normality for the data to know whether the data is normal or not. If the data is not normal, we will run the non-parametric test. This non-parametric test is chi-square. And if the data is normal, we will run the parametric test. But then we will look up for the how many sample of the data is it have. So if the data have only one sample, so we will use the one sample t-test. And if the data have two sample, we will use the independent. If the data have two sample, we will see whether the sample is independent or related. If the data is independent, we will run the independent sample t-test. And if the two sample is related, we will run the t-test for paired sample. So the third condition for parametric test is if the sample have more than two samples. So what should we do? If the more than two sample have one independent variable, we will run the one-way ANOVA. And if the sample have two independent variables, we will run the two-way ANOVA. So I guess just that from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.